traveling with the Penny Marchants now for 5 years, cleaning their ice. It's amazing. So here's one right
Bo don't know hockey. That's all I can say.
But I know
he's a good man.
I can clean the
ice. He can clean the ice better than anybody I know. We call him the human Zamboni.
That is true. Hey, it's right here.
Hi, I just have to say that of all the games we've ever played, this is definitely one of them.
See how direct they are?
And I gotta get a new 9-volt for my pacemaker too.
The Christian life is about freedom. It's about setting you and me free to be who God's made us. Free. There's freedom in Jesus. You guys, you want to be radical? You want to have a radical generation? You want to do something that's just on the edge? Follow Christ.